Hi everyone, I'm Susan and I am a crafter. I do all different kinds of things. Today we're going to do a video on our Cricut machine because this has been requested that people want to know how to get a free SVG off the internet and how to get it into Cricut Design Space. I will be putting out a whole bunch of different ones on how to do all kinds of different things from quilting to sewing to I make jewelry. I refurbish a lot of things. Of course, I do my Cricut. I've been doing that for about a year. I knit, I crochet, and I'm just going to start putting out all different kinds of videos whenever I'm making something. So today we're going to learn how to move a free SVG onto Cricut Design Space. I'm going to do it relatively slowly so that people can follow along. People are telling me that they're very frustrated and that they can't get it on there. So let's figure this out. Okay. Let me. Okay, so. Okay. All right. This is how I do mine. I had some issues in the beginning myself. So I have a dedicated Cricut design folder that I keep all my designs in because, like I said, I do machine embroidery and quilting. I have these programs here and they have their own different type of file, not an SVG. So I like to keep all my SVGs separate. So I made a dedicated folder, which is here on my desktop. If you do not know how to make a folder, I'm going to show you how to make one. You're going to right click on your desktop any place, go to new, go to folder, hit it, and then name it whatever you want to name it. SVGs, Cricut, whatever. If not, it will go to downloads. When you download a file, it's going to go to downloads. You can also send it directly to your desktop. I have a couple of files here that are just, these are SVG files because I was using them and it just was easier to put them on here. I was doing my daughter's wedding, so I put them right on the desktop. I also had an issue opening them. A zip file was an opening for me. So I'm told that you can, but I put this software on. It's free. You can get it on the internet, and it works really well for me. Now, if you don't have an issue with that, then you can skip this. You won't need this. But we will go and we will look for this software so that you can see NCH software. Okay, then we'll go to nchsoftware.com. I'm not going to download this because I already have it. But you'll go down here and you'll hit zip software. Then you're going to install that. You're going to get a little box right here. And you'll double click that and install it just like you installed your Cricut Design Space to your computer. Same thing. Follow the directions and you will have it. Every time you open an SVG file, this is going to open and it's going to have your files in it for you, so you don't have to go looking around and wondering how to open them. I just find it to be the easiest, so that's why I use it. Okay, so now let's find an SVG to download. I'm going to do Baby Shark for my granddaughters. So we're going to type in free. Oops. Baby Shark SVG. Free Baby Shark SVG. Now you're going to get a lot to choose from. I already have the girl, so let's get the boy here. So we're going to click on that. And we're going to go to this website. And we are going to download that to our computer. Hit download. Now here you get the box that shows that it downloaded. That's where the NCH software, you'll get that little box. Double click on that. And see that Express Zip is opening. That unzips my files. My computer's a little bit slow. I need to get a new one. Okay. So now I'm going to use this for non-commercial home use. That's how it's free. If you're going to use it for commercial, then you have to pay for it, and it'll allow you to do that also. You're going to get a whole bunch of different file extensions here. We only need the SVG to use it for the Cricut, but like for embroidery, you use a different file extension. It's not an SVG. So this, I guess, would be for somebody that's using it for another purpose. So let's highlight it and open it and make sure that we actually have an SVG file. Sometimes you open them, there it is, and it's not actually an SVG file, it's a YouTube video or something. So now I'm going to highlight it again and right click on it, and I'm going to go to extract selected, because I don't want all those other files. I don't need them. Now it's automatically going to my desktop Cricut Designs. If you want to put it somewhere else, hit browse and select that, and that's where it'll go. You could go just desktop, you could go downloads, wherever you want to put it. Hit extract, and then you should be able to find it in here. Now you can see why I have them all separated. Look at how many designs I have. I couldn't probably make all these if I lived to be 100 years old, but so I've got to look under baby shark. Here it is. We'll just make sure it moved into the folder. And yes, it did. Okay, so now we're all set, and we can close all this out, and we can go to our design space and get it in there now. So I am going to make a new project, and I am going to upload. You see how I have the little one? I made these two. They came out so cute. Okay, so let's upload an image. Let's browse. I have tried to drag and drop. Mine don't drag and drop. I don't know. It always tells me that the file isn't supported. So I just browse and look for it. Okay, so now we want to go down and look for it again. Baby shark. God. And hit it. And hit open. And there it is. You can name it something else if you want to. You can put little reminders like cartoon characters, whatever, in this little box here. I never do. But then hit save. And there it is. So now that you have it on in your design space, you're going to hit it. And you get the little green box around it. And then hit insert image. And there it is. Now let's just say that you wanted to make the boy and the girl. You wanted to put them both on the same shirt or same thing. We're going to put the girl in there. We're going to highlight this girl. And we'll insert that also. Okay, so then you would just, it's already got the box around it, move it around. Here, I'll make this a little bigger. And then you could move this one here, size them so that they look the same. But that's how you do it. That's how you get them in there. It's, and I don't want to say that it's easy because I don't want anybody to be discouraged. Don't be discouraged. Don't give up. I had mine sitting in a box for 3 months and I didn't use it. And then once I got going, it's really a lot of fun. So don't give up. Don't think you're stupid. Don't think you can't learn it, because you can. If I can, you can. All right, so that's it. I'm not going to make this today. If you guys would like to see it made, you'd like to see me make it, I would be happy to do a video showing you how to make it. I learned just recently pretty much how to layer the vinyl, and it came out so great. My first one, I didn't even mess it up. So I'm just looking for ideas on what else people would like to learn. So if you want to put something in the comments, I would be happy to take a look and see what we could do next. Thanks for watching. I hope you come back, subscribe if you liked it, and see you next time.